My name is Sara-Marie. I'm one of Leena's good friends on Atlantic Coast. And I love Leena. She's one of my best friends. And I've written so many letters for her that I decided I'd do something different today. And so I wrote a rap song for you. I'm going to take off my shoes. You'll recognize the song for those that were inspired. Except, first thing, I wanted to use some Indian words in Telugu. I can't say it, I'm sorry. But when I looked up how to say friend in that language, I couldn't even start to pronounce it. When I Googled how to pronounce friend in Telugu, it wouldn't even tell me, so I went with Spanish. So for those of you not familiar with Spanish, amigo means friend, and mejor amigo means best friend, or amiga. I might be interchanging the two, but okay, so you ready? Am I wearing this right, Leon? Turn it around. Oh, like this? Okay, that's how he says to wear it. He knows it. Okay, you can press play. Let's see if it works. I'm still fresh at this, so.
No?
Let's go back in time. Get on the DeLorean, go back to grade 9, yeah? At AC is where it all began. Back to the year when we were the first freshmen. All of us and my amigos, my amigos. My amigos, my amigos. My amigos, my amigos. My amigos, my amigos. First thing first, I love all of my amigos. This life's been good, especially with my amigos. Passing all my classes just like my amigos. Doing group work, I need all of my amigos. Some amiga talk, some amigo write. Got amigas in the class, all they ever do is think. Like in Robinson's class, when we talked about the Greek, or with Mr. Du, when we all took geography. When I hear about a sucker, no, that ain't my amiga. Hear a straight-A student, yeah, that is my amiga. Bad test taker, no, that ain't my amiga. Leena, my amiga, my mejor amiga, Leena. That I'm a stick with my mejor amiga Leena. Most likely I'm a ball with my amiga Leena. We be sitting in class, all of us with our amigos. We ain't leaving school till the bell ring for us. My amiga, my amiga. My amigos, my amigos. My amigos, my amigos. You know I'm down with amigos, down for me. I got 2 words for you, love and loyalty. Now I'm gonna come see you less as you go off to Berkeley. But I know we'll Skype, call, text randomly. My amigo, don't forget about your AC family. Diverse friends, yet we still fit perfectly. We got each other's backs no matter where we be. That's why we amigas, as you all can see. Sometimes I mess with you, sometimes you mess with me. No matter what we say, we laugh it off cause it's okay. So when I see you out, I'm like, hey, my amiga, hey, Leena. We be sitting in class, all of us with our amigos. We ain't leaving school till the bell rings for us. My amiga, my amiga. My amiga, my amiga. You guys can do the background noise. My amiga, my amiga.
My amiga.
My amiga, my amiga. Leena's so smart, my Leena's so bright. My Leena need a light when she working at night. If you calculate, always on her mind. She go and take the test and she gets straight 5. She gon' get big. TV, we gon' see her. Bring it in dope, my Leena, my Leena. She can stop any war, my Leena, my Leena. If a person act up, lay it worth my Leena. Young G Leena, and I ain't tripping, I'm straight, my Leena. Don't be seen trying to act like an amiga. But they ain't ACGs, so they can't be an amiga. My amigas, I need a set of wings, cause I'm too flight, amiga. About my business like a burger goes on bun. Ride for amigas, believe that. So Leena, I spit these verses out for you to say that I love you. Yeah, this is true. And although I'm not like Easy or Breezy or Cheesy, I'm close enough, though this is cheesy.